If you can't sign into your Yahoo Mail account because you forgot the password or lost access, Yahoo provides a recovery process to help you regain access. So the steps are: go ahead, open your any web browser on your device, search for login.yahoo.com/forgot, and this will take you to this kind of interface where you need to enter your Yahoo email address or your phone number, which is linked to your account. Then tap on continue in the bottom. You'll get an email on the account that your Yahoo Mail is connected with. You need to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email address by Yahoo Mail. Go ahead, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email, and once verified, you can reset your password and sign in back to your account. And if you do not have access to your recovery phone or email, you can click on try another way to sign in or the sign in helper, and Yahoo will show all the recovery options available for your account. If none are accessible, you may need to contact the Yahoo support to prove your ownership. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.